Do you spend a lot of time looking for information to answer questions like, what do my clients need to live healthy lives? Or how can I design a project that promotes healthy communities? Or perhaps you live in Camden and are looking for a place nearby to take your kids to play or to cool off in the summertime. Camden Conservation Blueprint is a publicly available and easy to use interactive map that can help to answer these questions and more. Our vision is for the map to provide everyone living and working in Camden with access to a wide range of information that can be easily understood in an intuitive and visual map format. Showcasing more than 80 data sets related to demographics, public health, and the environment, you can use Camden Conservation Blueprint to explore the connections between a healthy environment, healthy people, and healthy communities. When people in Camden were asked where they go to be healthy, parks were mentioned second, just behind healthcare providers. Use the map to find parks, see what kinds of facilities are available, and the condition of those facilities. Let's take a look at how Camden Conservation Blueprint helped the New Jersey Tree Foundation in their work. When a resident from East Camden approached the New Jersey Tree Foundation to see if they'd plant trees on her street, Tree Foundation staff used Blueprint to get a sense of the neighbourhood and to assess why this particular tree planting might be necessary. Tree canopy data showed the area was lacking in any significant tree canopy outside of a few older trees, and that most of the trees in the immediate area are in people's backyards and not along sidewalks. There are also several vacant parcels where buildings have been demolished. These lots are also devoid of trees, so during the summer, these areas and the surrounding sidewalks are hot. Demographic information gave a picture of who lives in the neighbourhood and showed who would benefit from tree plantings. Various health indicators, like rates of asthma, showed how quality of life could be enhanced. The character of the surrounding neighbourhood is also part of the story because there's a newly constructed park located about a block away from the proposed planting location. This is significant because the park is an easily accessible open space for residents to enjoy, and because both the park and the neighbourhood are surrounded by industry, heavily travelled roads, and a large rail yard. New tree plantings will help to offset some of those land uses, while also helping to create a pleasant green space corridor, beautifying sidewalks and inviting residents to walk to and visit the local park for exercise. With all of this information confirming the block as a good location for a tree planting, and working closely with the resident who made the original request, the Tree Foundation, together with a team of community volunteers, planted 10 trees, a combination of flowering and shade trees, in October of 2020. These 10 trees will provide benefits to the neighbourhood by 1. Improving air quality by trapping and holding air particulates, pollutants which for some people cause serious respiratory illness. 2. Absorbing and storing more than 200 pounds of atmospheric carbon dioxide, which is one of several greenhouse gases that contribute to a warming climate. This is especially important in a city that has historically borne the burden of heavy industry. 3. Intercepting about 1,500 gallons of rainwater and absorbing 306 gallons of stormwater runoff in a year. This is significant in Camden because of the outdated sewer system called a combined sewer outfall, or CSO for short. When it rains, the CSO can become overwhelmed, flooding local waterways, streets, and homes with stormwater and raw sewage. This is unsanitary, unsafe, and a significant environmental injustice. And while efforts have been made to clean out sewer system pipes, trees are one of the best green infrastructure methods to reduce the volume of stormwater entering an overburdened sewer system. 4. Trees provide shade and cooling, lowering temperatures in the surrounding area. This helps to offset the urban heat island effect, which occurs in cities when buildings and roads absorb and then re-emit the sun's heat, creating islands of higher temperature. Urban centres can be as much as 7 degrees hotter than outlying areas, which is significant for people who are vulnerable to heat-related illness. And 5, trees help to beautify our surroundings and improve our quality of life. Reports show that patients who have a view of trees while recovering from surgery are released from hospital sooner, have fewer complications, and need less pain medication. Nature lessens our stress responses and improves learning focus. Trees provide a tapestry of colour and form that changes throughout the year. They screen views and soften cityscapes and help to absorb and block sound. This is just one story to show how Camden Conservation Blueprint can aid in the planning and prioritising of projects that inspire beneficial environmental and public health change. More great work is yet to come. Google Camden Conservation Blueprint and check out the map today. Together, let's work to ensure Camden's green and healthy future.